We're going to the farmer's market. Damn. You tell him.
Stupid head.
You tell him, stupid head. Tell him what we're gonna make today.
We're gonna chef. We're gonna make ratatouille and pasta salad.
What are you gonna make, Sham?
Cold peanut butter cucumber noodles.
Wow. We'll be right back. It's Sunday. We're going to the farmer's market.
I just want bread.
Mom just wants bread.
You want vegetables.
And I want to make ratatouille.
I want fruit.
You want fruit?
I want fruit.
Okay.
Where a home do you go yesterday?
First stop, Starter Bakery. What are we getting, you may ask? Bread, pastries, and maybe a pretzel.
Like this one?
Yeah, that should be good.
They're cute. The toilet ones. Guys, we might go get a Smisky. If they got Smiskies left. Again? Do it.
Sam, do it.
Guys, we're about to go get a Smisky. Which one should we get?
The toilet series.
Okay, let's go get it. Okay guys, we got some Smiskies.
Isaiah wants this one. I want the one with the three. That one. We're gonna open it with our eyes closed.
Well, okay, ready?
Yeah. Wait, I got the one you
what the
want.
heck? I want that one.
Okay, I'll trade.
Okay.
Wow.
Special.
was a good day. I came up on $5 and a free melon. Let me show y'all the free melon that I came up. Hold up. We got a free melon.
Wow. It smells sweet. Oh man, America. Look, these guys are still asleep.
Day 2.
Day 1. So we're going camping at the end of the month, and we are test running this tent, and I have to sleep on this broken ass fucking yoga mat, and it's hard as fuck. Meanwhile, these two get to sleep on some freaking Tempur-Pedic mattresses. Fuck.
Good morning, vlog. It's this day 1. And we just made it through night 1. We're gonna go make breakfast. Sam's gonna make breakfast. Then we're gonna have Olivia clean the dishes. And Isaiah's just gonna sit there and say, we're gonna go hiking. Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlogs. Say hi to the vlog, Sham.
Hi, Vlog Sham.
Where are we going today?
We're going to Berkeley. Happy Pride Month. We're thinking maybe a dry fit shirt.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh,
I like this color.
I got him those shirts
Sham, what do you think of
2
this?
years ago. That's a cool, like, burnt orange.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Damn. Wow. Check these shoes out. I came up.
Hey.
You're fat.
For
So
the campfire fire song.
that.
Huh? Well, that was a short-lived study session.
That's okay.
It's okay.
At least we got good coffee, though. We got good coffee.
Cheers. For the vlog, what we got. So I got a vanilla latte. I got a hot caramel latte with oat milk.
I got an iced hojicha latte with oat milk.
I think Ralph has the best one. Oh yeah. See? Yours is pretty good too. Secured the bag. We're about to go on a little hike. Hopefully it's not too hard. Are you ready, Ralph?
Yep. I think it'll be fun.
Boots.
The new botas?
What are those? What are those?
They're Merrill's.
Those are cute.
Thanks.
Some Nikes on. Some light. What the fuck are you?
Kneel before me.
It looks like Poseidon's trident. I'm not leaving Berkeley until I get a Synolic.
Holy shit.
Actually. No collecting.
And ticks.
Oh, fucking ticks.
That's just... That comes with hiking.
Remember I got a tick stuck on my stomach?
You did?
And I had to like...
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hello, vlog.
Bro! What the fuck? Oh, that's fucking reeks.
Other
Guys, all I can think about right now is the cinnamon roll that I'm about to fuck up.
Maybe like chocolate banana.
With graham crackers.
Yeah.
nuts.
Or like a strawberry banana situation.
Something with nuts.
Almond.
No nuts.
Yeah, the shaved almonds. See an old friend of mine.
It's been a long time coming, guys. I told myself, that I was gonna go on a diet, but today is otherwise. We're doing a little cheat day, and
Go see an old friend of yours.
we're gonna go see an old friend. So, stay tuned. Reporting live from the Berkeley Hills.
Thank you.
Okay, what do we get today? What is this one? Campfire song. Wow. Strawberry, pecan, banana frosting. Wow. Fuck me up.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tastes like a campfire. We left no evidence behind. She was thick, and we took it down. Did you like it?
That was definitely a treat. Well deserved.
A treat. A good treat for after the hike. you like it?
I did. I enjoyed my eats.
Both of them? Woof.